Now, track and field's local governing body, the J3As, and the local organizing committee are still working to finalize logistics for the staging of the upcoming CARIFTA Track and Field Championships, including Spectators. In the meantime, organizers have received a major financial boost for the staging of the championships from telecommunications giants Digicel.
Fans in the stands. That is the current major talking point as it relates to the staging of local sporting events in the COVID-19 pandemic. Organizers of the Gibson Relays most recently announced that they have been approved for 10,000 spectators for the High School Relay Carnival set for February 26, the most spectators approved for a sporting event since the pandemic hit Jamaica in March 2020. But one group still doing their laps in trying to gain approval for spectators for their event is the local organizing committee for the upcoming CARIFTA Track and Field Championships set for April.
We also have a meeting set up with ODPEP and the ministries and the agencies involved in providing the sort of regulations that will exist. We have not finalized that yet, and we know that that is a moving target because the times are not static. But we continue to have meetings, and there's goodwill all around because everybody accepts the importance of having these games. They're not for the senior athletes, they're for the junior athletes, but critical in the development of the sport and critical in terms of having events at this time.
But before the CARIFTA Championships will be the CARIFTA Trials set for March 11 to 13, and J3A's president Garth Gale is hoping the template used to gain spectators for the Gibson Relays can be used to do so for the trials.
Working with what we know, we can't go below what is already approved for another important event, the Gibson Relay. And so we will be looking forward to ensure all the protocols are in place, that the safety of all concerned is paramount in what we are doing.
In the meantime, the J3As and the LOC for the CARIFTA Championships received a major financial boost for the staging of the event with a sponsorship of $12 million from telecommunication giants Digicel. Gale revealed that the overall cost to stage the meet has decreased from $900,000 US.
$650,000 US. And this assistance today will go a long way in us meeting that target.
The CARIFTA Track and Field Championships will be held from April 16 to 18 at the National Stadium.